On too.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Isn't it bad for water to go in your car? You don't think you can wipe it off. Yeah, that's what you want. Your car is soaking. I'll crash into stuff. Oh. I think they're like too much to the side. Uh-oh. What's it doing? What's it doing? Oh my god. Oh, it hit your car. Oh my god, it's gonna hit your car. Oh my god! My! You didn't move back! You didn't move back! You didn't move back! You had to move back! Oh my god! I didn't move back! Oh my god!
Wait, I can't see. Oh wait, I can't see.
I'm putting it on YouTube, Mike.
Wait.
We broke it! Come on! We paid so much for it. This is embarrassing. Oh my god, he broke his leaf.
I can't leave with suds on my car. Hey.
Open the window, put the thingy. That's gonna suck.
But wait, where's the thing?
You have to go back to the thing that says stop. This is so embarrassing. I'm telling you, these things are like 100 years old. Oh my god.
How?
Waka waka
Nobody else gonna be coming into your car. But where's the thing that I have to drive on? You see it?
He broke the machine. Like, you have to move forward and push the thing back where it was.
What do you mean push it back?
If it sprays you, well. You have to open your window and push the thing back.
What do I have to do?
Let me spray you.
But which?
Let me go back to this spot. Let me spray you.
What do I have to do to it?
You have to push it back.
Push it back where?
In place. But it's not going to spray us.
I can't do that.
Oh my god.
I'm scared.
We do. No. I think that's the one that says customer service.
There's nobody
there. Service.
No.
I
got soap on my car.
Alright, go back. Back up. And press the customer service. Go in. There's a dude that went in there.
There's a dude that went in there?
Inside the place. He was wearing a black shirt. It was white. White dude. White. Oh, that's sad. We broke the machine. Be like, oh, the thing broke. Oh my god, suds. Oh, like, why is it hit you down? Oh, don't hit your, no, don't hit that now. Good. Press for service. Press it harder, dude. Give me a camera and throw it to there. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I got soap all over my car.
I think we gotta go to the BP now. Oh my god.
Now what? You sure you saw somebody go inside the store?
Yeah, well, I want to put this on YouTube, okay? No, I don't know if it's funny, but it may be in the video, but because man, you could be destroyed.
Oh my god.
She broke it.